And look at how natural my lashes look. Zoom in. They look natural, right? You can't even tell.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. I have a very exciting video today. I finally nailed natural makeup. As you guys know, I have been a full coverage girly guy for years, and I think because of summer. Also, if you guys have not been following my journey, I have been into like wellness and health and like losing weight. That goes also for my skin. I've been jealous of all the girlies and the guys that can pull it off, but I feel like because my skin is in a better place, I can somewhat pull off a natural makeup look. If you guys look at my skin, I have very, my hyperpigmentation has been more faint. I have like a pimple down here. Around my eyes is a little bit hyperpigmented over there, but I did get a lash lift. My brows are very there, but for the most part, I'm very proud of my skin. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to get this beautiful, natural, no makeup look. And I'm also gonna show you guys a very cool lash trick featuring Lashify, which is like where you put the eyelashes underneath your lashes, which is very, very scary, but it's not. Without further ado, so that being said, without further ado, I cannot hop. Without further ado, let's just jump right into this tutorial. And don't forget, makeup is one size fits all. Okay, so first things first is skincare. For literally a no makeup look, I feel like hydrating your skin. So I'm gonna take the Innisfree Intensive Hydrating Cream with green tea seed and apply this right on my face. And you want to massage this in. I feel like massaging skincare into your face really wakes it up. Now, if you wanna wake up with me, I jump in the shower, I play Alexa, and then I'll blast like Doja Cat or Mariah Carey, and that just literally jumpstarts my day. And right after I get out of the shower, I'll apply my skincare, and then I'll go make my bed. So when everything is all said and done, I get dressed, the skincare will have soaken in, and then I can do my makeup. Next, for eye cream, I have been obsessed with the Innis Intensive Hydrating Eye Roller. You squeeze it, it comes out of like this roller ball situation right here. Really, really, really cool. And I'm gonna apply this right under my eyes. And we are HD as hell today. I love it because this little ball right here is cooling and it really wakes up my eyes in the morning. I have like 2 of these. I just got a new one. This is my personal one. And then if you guys have seen my other makeovers, I've used it on literally everyone in every video. And this brand is actually really freaking good. Now, if you're a pro MUA, I went to Friends, my hands are so slippery, I can't open this. Now, if you're a pro MUA, I went to Friends Beauty the other day to pick up a few makeup items, and I came across this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Swivel Stick. It's for literally dry areas, but I love how big it is, and I just love taking this on the lip, and my skin is prepped. If you are not drinking your water, who are you? All right, now it's time for the makeup portion. I'm gonna go ahead and take my favorite blurring primer by One Size Secure the Blur. If you guys do not have this, your makeup is not makeuping, okay? This is essential for your makeup. Skincare is, but when you want your makeup to last and look smooth, this is a specific product different than skincare because there are microspheres that blur the skin. This is also silicone based, so silicone and silicone makeup really work together really well. Skincare should not have anything silicone in it because you should not be sleeping with it, your skin should not be absorbing it. This has it, so it will support the makeup. Just want to make that clear. But what I love about this is that this has witch hazel and niacinamide to help clear up the skin over time. But look at how clear my skin has gotten over the years. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this and apply this right over the nose and the center of my face and right down the middle of my forehead. I like to use this like Facetune where you can like blur the areas. I love blurring this side of my face. And then over here, I love blurring this side of my face. And around the mouth, I just mean like the center and work it out. And you know what? Right here is good for just the men. If you're a guy and you don't like wearing any makeup, but you want transparent, translucent layers, skincare, and this primer is literally all you need. I can name a few male celebrities that have used this. Check the comments down below. All right, so when it comes to the eyebrows, my eyebrows are pretty full. I've had brows like this since I was little. I know most people out there love to have the eyebrows as their step. When it comes to like the no makeup look, for me specifically, I don't really wear brow makeup too much just because my brows are already browing. You know, it's already showing their hairs. For me, my main concern is balancing my eyes because sometimes I could look sleepy when my eyelashes are down, and just evening out the complexion on my skin. Okay, now for the skin, I'm gonna go ahead and take the One Size Beauty Blur Balm on the face and just buff this in with a brush. And you see how wet it's going on because I have all that skincare on the face. Buffing it in will give the most prettiest finish with a brush. If you want something more full coverage, definitely go for a sponge. I like to take a sponge for after and blend this in, but I feel like the intense hydrating Innisfree moisturizer really helps hydrate the Beauty Blur Balm. I have seen that people have a hard time working with it because it looks a little bit too dry or patchy. You really have to work in skincare product and use the right prep products for you. If you are just naturally dry and get drier throughout the day, then this product probably is not for you. If you want to make it work, definitely using like an oil to mix it in will really make it shine. But look at this already with how natural and beautiful this looks on the skin and how dull and bumpy, lumpy, freckly this looks. My goal again with makeup is just to even out my skin tone. And I am in the shade medium dark one. I love putting this BBB right on my eczema too because it really covers and the coverage is good, but it just feels really light. Okay, so next for concealer. I don't have to conceal right now. I don't think I will. If you do, the Butter Silk Concealer is really, really, really pretty. If you just want like a tad of brightness, I'm gonna take the tiniest, littlest, I'm slowly scraping everything off and just taking a dot right there and a dot right there. That's it. That is it. And I'm just taking my Beauty Blender and just brightening the inner corner. If you have a lot of darkness under your eye, not under the eye, but on the inner corner of the eye, really makes a difference when highlighting and concealing at the same time. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and go right around, just stamping in all of that. Okay, so next blush. I'm gonna go ahead and take a cream blush from Cheek Clapper by One Size. This one has a cream, a matte, and a shimmer blush all in one palette. The palette is called Freaky Peach, and I'm just gonna clap these cheeks by taking the cream. You guys can see how obsessed I am with this, and it has like a little lid to protect the powder from getting inside. But I lift it, use a fluffy brush like this, and start to kind of bring this into the face. Do you guys see that subtle flush of a difference that it's making? You kind of want to bring it into the temple, kind of under the eye on the outer third of the eye. You guys see? It's just like the lightest bits of like color on the face that makes a difference. Ooh, got a little bit too much right there, but guess what? You can blend it out. I love using a fluffy brush for something like this. I'll tap some just a little bit on the nose, on the chin, just like that, and using my Beauty Blender just to even out the distribution of color. And look at that, how pretty that this is looking. I'm obsessed with my routine so far. Okay, now for me, I like to take, don't hate me, I like to take a rosier powder foundation, like the Turn Up the Base powder foundation in the shade Medium 2. Medium 2 has an R, a neutral rosy, so this is a neutral rosy undertone. Obsessed with this color. I don't use it for my glam because my glam, I like a more golden undertone. So I'll use Light 5 with neutral rosy undertones, but it's way brighter. This one is Medium 2, which is deeper with neutral rosy undertones. So I'll take the same Beauty Blender, right? And I am using this as kind of like a powder concealer. And I'm just gonna lightly stamp under the eyes. This might be a controversial step, but because I am plus size, I do sweat more than the average person. You have to think about it. Throughout the day, this is gonna break down and melt beautifully. I'm just gonna set like the inner part of my face, my upper lip, so it doesn't look like I'm sweating boogers, my smile line, and my chin. You guys see how beautiful this is? If you happen to be more sweaty, definitely set with the Ultimate Blurring Setting Powder in Translucent. This has been going viral and is literally our top selling loose powder. If you know, you know. I love big in the face. Go for the Ultimate Setting Powder. It is better than my MAC one. It lasts really, really long and it blurs the skin. See, the blush is like very, very, very subtle underneath. It will build if you apply more. Now for the rest of the areas, like right here, like I don't know why I would want this part glowy. I'm gonna take medium 5, turn up the base, and just apply it in areas that I just want it to last all day. You see I'm setting under the eyes and kind of like under here. I don't really set like this cheekbone because I want to keep that shine, and just like a hair on the forehead, but you know the shine is gonna come through no matter what time of day, even when I have a full face of makeup. Next, I'm taking the matte blush in the Freaky Peach palette and just applying this on the cheeks. So pretty, so easy. Okay, so for any look, lashes, liner, and lips complete the look. And this applies to this very look right here. Now for me, when I'm looking at my makeup, I am missing lashes and a lip and maybe liner, but it's mainly lashes and lips for me. Even when I'm full glam, it's lashes and lips takes the look there. This Lashify kit, if you guys have not heard of the brand, Lashify is like an extension, do-it-yourself lash kit. This is the lash control kit. This comes with a bond, a seal, a tweezer, a something, and then these beautiful like little lash inserts. This is $145, but the cool thing about this is that you could put the lashes underneath your lashes. Zoom in, Peter. Literally, you put the lashes underneath, so when you like look down, it just looks like lash extensions. So for me, when it comes to like a no makeup look, I'm not trying to like wear eyeshadow, a brow. Everyone is gonna have their preference on what they want to fix, and for me, that's like my complexion and just looking refined and fresh. I'm gonna show you guys how to use this really quick. If you guys want a detailed Lashify video, comment down below. But essentially, there is a black side, so I'm gonna apply the black mascara, which is kind of like a black glue. Let that set, and then apply the adhesive underneath and dot it underneath, and then take my tweezers and take the sizes P12 on the inside, which is a shorter length, then P14 towards the ends, and maybe a P16 on the very end. I don't know if I'm gonna do 16 today, but we'll see. And look at how natural my lashes look. Zoom in. They look natural, right? You can't even tell. Also, you guys don't have to go with the whole lashes extension moment. I just like that for me because I have literally no lashes, but this Fantasize mascara is the freaking best. It gives you like this look. I just today wanted a fuller lash look and I got this in PR, this Lashify kit, but definitely check this out, Fantasize. All right, guys, look how pretty the lashes look. Totally forgot I lined my lips with a natural lip liner. And then this has been my favorite, the Pro Kisser Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balms in the color Latte Lips. It's like a tinted little something. But because my lips don't have definition, I just like lining them really quick. And maybe like a little brow gel, hold on. A little brow kiki for the girls. And little hack right here, Preserve to Serve setting spray so everything melts in, and then layering it with the On Till Dawn waterproof setting spray just to kind of give it like a hold. Completes this no makeup look. All right, you guys, I am feeling so fresh. I'm feeling so glowy. It is definitely makeup, but it's like way less than what I would do. I think the trick is skincare, having a great base and prep, and just having the little touches that bring out the most beautiful you. For me, that's just like my lashes, a statement lip. I did not bronze or contour because I feel like that's just doing too much. I concealed what I could with the Turn Up the Base powder foundation. Do what you can with what you got. Celebrate your natural beauty. Use one size. Use all the products that I've linked down below for all of you. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.